All right, now time for the hot air station. So this box is even bigger. And I'll show you what this is probably afterwards. Okay, let's go and open up this one. Oh my gosh, I keep kicking the stand for my phone. There we go. Wow, it even has styrofoam. Let me go and move my chair. Nice. Oh, it comes with a silicone mat. It's pretty cool. Got different tips for different applications. Not much. And here's the actual... Oh, got another one. Oh, this one's a straight one instead of a 45 degrees. And here's the actual hot air gun. Nice. Change the temperature or airspeed. Change the airspeed. I'm assuming this is for temp, up and down temp. I'm assuming you could save the temperature. I'm not too exactly sure. I'd have to go through the manual. But you could save the temperature and change channels, on and off switch. This is to connect the pen.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.